My Generator. For starters, the guys at My Generator were extremely helpful before I bought this product. I couldn't say enough about their service and their knowledge about the product. The main reason I bought this solar blanket was when I go to Fraser Island to run my 12-volt fridges, I was constantly having to recharge my batteries for the fridges. Always flat, always having to recharge. Since I've had the blanket now, I basically fold the blanket over my vehicle, the back of my vehicle, the front of my vehicle, wherever the sun shines on the best, and my battery, the single battery, is constantly charged, and I have no problem at all with my fridges running out of power. But also, you might notice now that I'm not on Fraser Island at the moment, I'm on my farm, and a second use of the blankets, I find that when I have flat batteries on my trucks or tractors or whatever, and I have no access to mains power as such, I simply throw it on the ground, plug it in, and 1, 2, 3, my batteries are charged on my vehicle and away I go. So all in all, extremely happy with the product and couldn't say enough good things about it. Thank you very much.